I don't know how many times I've survived without telling anyone. I don't know how many times I've made it this far. How many times I've gotten up in the morning. And how many times I've smiled at the world while telling them I'm okay.